Viva is made out of love for all things perfectly engineered, stylish, spacious, and safe. The name Viva describes a philosophy that celebrates life and people from all walks of life. Viva proves it is possible to create a practical and spacious compact car, one that will fulfill the needs of many while staying within the means of many. Driven forward by Malaysians for Malaysians, Viva recognizes the great places they will go and will provide the means by which they may get there in style, comfort, and safety. Convenient, compact, and dynamic, Viva expresses clever design, character, and charm. Viva has been engineered for maximum space and comfort on any journey, long or short, and favors easy driving with its practical features. The lowered tunnel provides extra legroom and comfort for the middle passenger. Viva, with its 90-degree door opening, allows easy access. With its elegant and feature-packed interior, Viva enhances your driving experience. Viva's engines have been enhanced with DVVT, DOHC, and EFI to ensure better performance. Its acceleration is the best in its class. Excellent control and riding comfort is achieved with front McPherson strut and rear trailing arm suspension systems. The DVVT and EFI improve fuel efficiency and produce cleaner gas emissions, which are kinder to the environment. Viva protects you with comprehensive safety features, which are subjected to countless stringent testing procedures to ensure their reliability. The Perodua Viva, the compact that comes, stylishly designed, with space to spare, practically packaged, with superior performance and the benefit of security and safety, made possible for all Malaysians.